Molega iga muiweteli msuri korukuruga iga muwaziri nalega iga teneteli msu. Waziri tenenego. Mogno iyo. Mogno ini arugando okora li msuri. Ndaida ko confirm na mogno yo esenye general control ya li msuna libi through SWED program. Ngotwara tole machine enene yoko chorobo chabolia oliboko kunda watindeko bose bwaba process bwaba oboyo na bolibo amasakara chi diapers na Cregent. We want to do it by the end of this month. They are looking into the MOU. A machine is over around 120 million. Now in Tune County, how much are we giving for the shade? We are giving 20 million for the shade as a machine yekoa. You go in another Nyasai Kawanja Bayamuti Nyukalenga will be having it running. Bayamuti Nyukata Rimo or Konyora Gaiga, we are processing Oboyo na Cregent, which have more cover. And I want to make that promise because so far we are at the tail end of our engagement. Naroranga emete ya mtu sana gadi ande mtu anasomea hapa naitwa nani Mlei mahali ile miti imekatwa weka tractor ingwayo viziki hata kama ni hii excavator tupande hii avocado huko lakini ile miti nyingine kubwa ibaki na msikate wacha miti nilio kutoka nje ya kuja kuchoma hiyo uchafu mpaka ni mwezi mmoja peke yake. I think we'll have sorted out the issue of waste here at ATC. Kando na hiyo mtubwa to boyo to asme to atindikete gari boy kole karibu omwaka isn't it? Yes, karibu mwaka wa gundire. Onde wensi oganeti oboyo inchwe character ntobegeta mabuta Dijie gali tukubekera oboyo ogenda na borobo chikosumekera osinemesi osengento kinka ntrikon tinda onde wensi mole muyonde wensi okugora chi avocado ntriko mwana liboyo toko mo oboyo bosa korogali mo wanja boyo bono abantu bande najide koira ngajwira ngente kujise Italia abantu bakoga sana lakini bono I know even the neighborhood they'll be happy after setting up this facility. Omoelio, enta etote wanga, embra ya vire nyingi, but ningo ogete abantu mboga. People made noise. Oh, si bakindenge ya okora, oh, waigu,